Hello students, let's we start our next topic, Earth gravitational force. That is from our first lesson, gravitation. Here we have given some questions. Will the velocity of a stone thrown vertically upward remain constant or will it change with time? How will it change? Why doesn't the stone move up all the time? Why does it falls down after reaching a certain height? What does its maximum height depend on? So students, we know that the earth attracts every object near it towards itself because of the gravitational force. The center of the mass of the earth is situated at its center. So the gravitational force on any object due to the earth is always directed towards the center of the earth. Because of this force, an object falls vertically downwards on the earth. See here students, what they said, the earth attracts every object near it towards itself because of the gravitational force. We know that on the earth there is a gravitational force is acting. The center of the mass of the earth is situated at its center. The center of the mass is situated at the center of the earth. And the force is what they said afterwards. So the gravitational force on any object due to the earth is always directed towards the center of the earth. On any object, that force acting towards the center of the earth, that gravitational force acting on object towards the center of the earth. Because of this force, an object falls vertically downwards on the earth, and because of that any object if you are thrown upward side, that is falls on the ground or falls on the earth. Similarly, when we throw a stone vertically upwards, this force tries to pull it down and reduces its velocity. What they said, similarly, when you are throwing the stone upward directions, and this gravitational force acting on this stone and it pulls continuously to that stone downward direction. Due to this constant downward pull, the velocity becomes zero after a while. Due to the pull of this stone towards the earth, its velocity becomes zero at the after some time or after a while. The pull continue to be extended and the stone start moving vertically downward towards the center of the earth under its influence. And because of this continuous pull on this object or on the stone, that stone start moving vertically downwards toward the center of the earth, and under the its influence, they said, means the under the influence of that gravitational force, that stone is falling on that ground on the earth, or its falls or moving vertically downwards toward the center of the earth.